Hey guys, this is Mike at tabletbuy.com, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Nokia X7, which is the new multimedia premium smartphone from Nokia, boosting Symbian Anna, the new operating system from Nokia. And this is a pretty new device. It's been available for just a couple of weeks, maybe months, and this clip is going to be a quick review of this particular smartphone. First of all, let's start with the exterior. You can see the device right here. Looks fairly nice. It's not very heavy, weighs around 150 grams and measures only 12 millimeters in thickness. It's not very thick either, but it's pretty much similar and comparable to most other smartphones available available right now on the market. You can notice that it comes with a rounded shape. This is how it looks. The back is covered in metal, feels quite nice, and there are also these plastic strips on the bottom and on the top. While the front is made from glass, there's a 4-inch display and it's covered with Gorilla Glass, and you only get this button. Okay, so let's see what other details are here. You notice this very interesting grills in the corners of the device, both on top and on the bottom. The lower grills actually cover the speaker. There are stereo speakers on this phone, while the top grills are only for decoration in here. On the sides, what you get on this part, on the left side, you get two trays, which one houses the SIM card and one houses the SD card. In order to access them, you have to press like this and then drag, and you get this is the micro SD card. It's not very complicated, and it's a system they've used on other devices like the Nokia X7, and I believe the Nokia N8 uses something similar as well. I'm not really sure. Okay, on this other side you actually have a shutter button for the camera and a volume rocker. On the back there's an 8 megapixel camera with still focus, so there is no autofocus, and dual flash LED. On the top you have the locking button, a headphone jack, and a micro USB slot, which is used for connecting the device to the computer and for charging it. While on the bottom you only get the microphone, and that's all. On the front screen, like you can see, you don't have any front-facing camera. There isn't any here on the top. There is, however, a light sensor and a proximity sensor, a speaker here on the top, and a button that's going to be used to access the menu. We get a 4-inch LED display. Like I said, it's actually an AMOLED capacitive multi-touch display, so it's one of the best you can get right now on such devices. Actually looks very nice. Colors are very nice, and viewing angles is great as well. Of course, when using the device outside, the glossy surface will reflect the light, and reflection may be a problem, but otherwise the screen is actually very nice. One thing I don't particularly like about the screen is the kind of poor resolution. Only comes with 360 by 640 pixel, and I'm going to notice here that icons actually look pretty okay, but overall quality is not as crisp as on more modern devices like the iPhone 4 or the Samsung Galaxy S, which offer pretty much similar screen sizes but better resolution. In terms of hardware, you only get an ARM 11 processor on this one, clocked at 680 MHz, and only 256 megabytes of memory, which will make the device a little bit laggy when dealing with multiple applications, when opening multiple applications. However, it feels pretty much okay, and it's definitely improved. The experience is definitely improved from the previous generation Android devices, even the ones with Symbian 3 on board. And now we're going to take a quick look at Symbian Anna and all the changes and modifications it brings to this particular phone.